Inform the mothership that the Gravastar Mars Pro has landed on Earth. Initiate Delta 35. Yes, without a doubt, Gravastar are here to take over. And what are they taking over? Well, they're definitely taking over the style, but they're also taking over our ears. Let's get into this week's episode of techforce. Rightio, let's get right into the box. Here we've got the Mars Pro, a USB cable, the user manual, and an auxiliary cable. Don't throw anything away, we're going to need it all. You only get to make a first impression once, and Gravastar know exactly how to do that. My first impressions are, wow! Yes, such an impressive piece of machinery we've got here. But what it immediately makes me think of is Star Wars Episode 1. You remember those destroyer droids? Yes, these ones right here. Look, it looks a little bit similar. Inspiration is taken from throughout the universe. One cannot understate how impressive this little bit of kit looks. It is in itself a work of art. On to the nuts and bolts of the sci-fi work of art. It has a built-in large capacity lithium battery and takes about 4 hours until it's fully charged. Yes, that's quite a long time, but the long battery also has a long capacity of 15 hours of playtime. The Gravastar doesn't only bring you some audio. No, this Mars Pro has a light show as well. Get the party started with its 6 dynamic RGB lights. It has a setting called single color, then you get the automatically changing colors gradually, or even light up your room to the beat of the music. So as the music goes boom boom, the lights go boom boom. As the music goes boom boom, the lights go... Yes, you get the idea. Mars Pro sets the mood of the room. We are provided with 4 buttons because 4 buttons is all you need. You need one for the Bluetooth, you need an on and off, and then one to change the LED colors. Yes, let's get on to the sound now. And let's start it off with the bass, the boom boom bass. The bass is good, but it's not loud enough. I can hear the bass being implemented in the track, but it's not coming through and it's not shaking the room. I need the bass to shake the room. There's also a very easy Bluetooth pairing. It's a setup in a few seconds if you just follow the instruction manual. So just follow that instruction manual and you'll be paired in no time. What I do like is that you can combine the Mars Pro with other speakers, meaning you can create a surround system. Maybe if you've got 2 going, that bass will be sufficient for you. It is built like a tank, like a destroyer droid. And I feel if you drop it, well, the floor is going to be damaged. I think that what Gravastar are trying to tell us is that the only thing better than the Mars Pro speaker is having 2 Mars Pro speakers. And because when you connect them wirelessly, the sound will then be encapsulating and give you the real experience. So yes, 2 is better than 1, especially if you can put one on the one end of the room and the other one on the other end of the room. It's really going to enhance that musical experience. Let's turn our attention to how we increase and decrease the volume. It is a nice little function here. Look, all you do is you slide your finger up and down across this touch-sensitive volume control, and it's quite enjoyable as you just scroll it up and down to increase the volume and decrease the volume. Very nice little touch here, Gravastar. I like. This wireless speaker is built from a zinc alloy sphere, and the triangular design ensures stability and absorbs minor shocks. Although minor shocks, it looks like it could take an impact from an asteroid and still be fine. Viewers, the time has come to click the like and subscribe button. Go on over and hit it please if you like this video, and then click that bell icon if you would like to be notified every time we drop a video. Boop. In conclusion, you're definitely paying for what the speaker looks like. The aesthetics and materials are high quality and very good. The sound quality is fine, but not as impressive as I would expect for this price range. I wish it came with a remote or an app. It's frustrating when you have to use it at night and then you've got to get up to cycle through the lights and to turn the lights off. It's a very unique looking speaker which is sure to please all the sci-fi fans out there. But at this high asking price, I would have to give it a 7 out of 10 in this multiverse. That's it for this week's episode. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye. When the aliens do invade, I hope they get the guys from Gravastar to design all their spaceships, just so that when we get invaded, it's gonna look super cool.